Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about the Interfold token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, the Interfold is an open source protocol and distributed network for confidential coordination. It allows multiple independent parties to contribute private inputs to a shared computation without exposing the underlying data or transferring control to a single operator. Computations take places within encrypted execution environments or E3S and produce outcomes that can be verified without revealing the private inputs that generated them. Application includes secret ballots, sealed bid auctions, confidential analytics, and other multi-party process involving sensitive information. The Interfold token total supply is 1.2 billion and circulating supply is also 1.2 billion Fold token. Fold token is listed on KCX, Neha before and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 65% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.